Life hacks that are worth gold and only a few people know. Before putting your drink in the refrigerator, first wrap it with a sheet of paper towel that is wet and put it in the freezer for only 15 minutes. As time passes, you will notice that it will be frozen. You can paint the end of your keys with nail polish of different colors to be able to easily identify each key. When using Curatus, you can prevent them from coming off on the side by cutting a line on each side of the strip. This will create 4 smaller adhesive bands instead of a large one, and it will be much easier to secure the wound. When the candle has been consumed, and the match is difficult to reach with a lighter, you can use a spaghetti strip by lighting the end, and you will have a longer stick that burns just as well to be able to reach those difficult-to-reach places. You can use a bottle of water to separate the egg yolks. Just hold the container over it and squeeze it to vacuum it. Then put it in a separate cup and voila! To properly clean the blender, fill it with hot water and soap. Then turn it on for about 10 seconds and let the water that spins do the hard work. When you heat the leftovers of your refrigerator, first make a hole in the center of the container with a spoon and spread the food to the corners, so it will heat up much more evenly. If your shoes smell bad, put a few bags of tea inside and they will absorb the smell. The wax from the candles spilled on the furniture can be removed with ice cubes. Instead of spoiling the finish by trying to scrape it, first fill a plastic bag with ice and let it rest on the material for a few minutes. The wax will cool and harden it, that way it will be much easier to remove it. The refrigerator butter is usually hard and cold to be used immediately. To avoid this, fill a large cup with hot water and wait for the cup to warm up. Then pour the water and cover the butter with the cup. The surface of the butter will melt, and you can spread it without problems. The hole in the handle of the pan is not only used to hang it on the wall, since you can also insert a spoon in this hole while cooking something. When you pour juice or milk in a glass, turn the mouth of the box to the upper part above the glass, as this way there will be fewer splashes. When you unload the toilet, always cover it with the lid, because although it is imperceptible to the eyes, there are small particles of dirty water and germs that splash when you press the unload button with the lid open. Advertisements show us that we must cover the entire surface of the toothbrush with toothpaste, but with just a little is more than enough. Companies want you to use the toothpaste quickly and buy another. That's why they show this incorrect and unprofitable way. Any pair of scissors will come undone sooner or later, but you can avoid it with aluminum foil. Fold a sheet in quarters and begin to cut the aluminum foil with the scissors, as this will leave it as new. The hole in the inside of the toothpaste fork is not only used to drain the water, since this is a great measurement tool to know how many spaghettis you have to cook per person. The hole is the recommended amount for a single ration. The metal zippers have a hidden incorporated closure, since the zipper only locks completely when we turn it down after uploading it. But if you leave it up when you upload it, it will be free to move. Tell me which of these tips was your favorite, and if you know any other that is good, let me know below. Also remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this.